Are you ready to dive into the world of virtual reality? Well, with so many options available, it can be tough to choose the right headset. If you're ready to enter a world beyond your imagination, to experience the impossible and explore new worlds like never before, get ready, because we're about to take you on a journey through the latest in VR technology and compare two of the top VR headsets in the market. Buckle up and prepare to have your mind blown. Hi everyone, and welcome to our video where we dive into the comparison of the HTC VIVE XR Elite and the Oculus Quest 2, two of the top virtual reality headsets on the market. With VR technology continuously improving, these two headsets have emerged as leaders, offering gamers, creators, and VR enthusiasts a unique set of features and capabilities. But with so many options to choose from, it can be difficult to determine which headset is right for you. That's why in this video we're going to take a closer look at both the HTC VIVE XR Elite and the Oculus Quest 2, weighing their pros and cons and helping you make an informed decision about which headset is best for your VR needs. So are you ready to find out which headset reigns supreme? Let's go ahead and get started. The HTC VIVE XR Elite headset is a cutting-edge virtual reality device that offers a high-performance all-in-one XR experience. It comes with a variety of in-box items, including a battery cradle, two controllers LNR, two lanyards, a microfiber pouch, a top strap, and a variety of cables, including a Type-C to Type-C cable and two Type-A to Type-C cables. Additionally, it comes with a lens protection card and documentation, including a quick start guide, a safety guide, and a warranty card. One of the key features of the VIVE XR Elite headset is the convertibility and compact design. It transforms into a pair of portable immersive glasses, making it ideal for users who want to experience virtual reality on the go. It also boasts high-resolution graphics performance and vivid pass-through capability, allowing users to see through the real world even when immersed in a virtual environment. The headset offers a comfortable viewing experience thanks to the IPD, interpupillary distance, and diopter dials. The resolution is 1920 by 1920 pixels per eye, or 3840 by 1920 pixels per eye total, making it one of the most vivid and high-resolution virtual reality devices available. It also features 6 DOF inside-out tracking and a 90Hz refresh rate, making it ideal for users who want to enjoy smooth and responsive virtual reality experiences. The field of view is up to 110 degrees, giving users an expansive and immersive experience. The VIVE XR Elite headset is equipped with a dual microphone for echo cancellation and embedded speakers, making it ideal for users who want to experience high-quality audio in the virtual reality environment. The headset also features dual integrated microphones, a volume button, and a headset button, providing users with a range of input options. Under the hood, the VIVE XR Elite headset is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 processor and has 128GB of storage and 12GB of memory. It also features a variety of connectivity options, including a USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C peripheral port, a USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C power port, Bluetooth 5.2 and BLE, and Wi-Fi 6 and 6E support. The headset is also equipped with a range of sensors, including 4 tracking cameras, a 16-megapixel RGB camera, a depth sensor, a G sensor, a gyroscope, and a proximity sensor. The ergonomics of the VIVE XR Elite are designed to provide comfortable long-session use. The headset is designed to be perfectly balanced, as the ergonomically curved battery module mounted in the rear acts as a counterweight. Additionally, the front gadget is magnetically attached, and the eye comfort adjustment accommodates an IPD range of 54 to 73 millimeters. The headset also features a 24.32 watt battery cradle that is removable and hot swappable, making it ideal for users who want to be able to quickly switch batteries. The controllers that come with the VIVE XR Elite are equipped with a range of sensors, including Hall sensors on the trigger and grip buttons, capacitive sensors on the trigger, joystick, and thumb rest area, and a G sensor and gyroscope. The controllers also feature an ergonomic grip button, an analog trigger button, ABXY buttons, system menu buttons, and a joystick. The integrated rechargeable battery provides up to 15 hours of battery life, and the controllers can be charged via USB-C. The Meta Quest 2 is a cutting-edge virtual reality headset that offers users a highly immersive gaming experience. Compatible with the Meta platform, this headset features a high-resolution display with 1832 by 1920 pixels per eye, and a refresh rate of 90 Hz. The built-in Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 platform and 6GB of RAM ensure smooth and responsive gameplay, and a 128GB of internal storage provides ample space for downloading games and experiences. One of the standout features of the Meta Quest 2 is its touch controllers, which have been redesigned with improved ergonomics and intuitive controls. With accurate hand tracking and haptic feedback, these touch controllers provide an incredibly realistic and immersive gaming experience. The increased battery life of the touch controllers means you won't have to stop your gameplay to replace batteries. The built-in speakers provide cinematic 3D positional audio, allowing you to hear in all directions. If you prefer a more private experience, you can connect wired headphones to the headset's headphone jack. The side USB Type-C port on the headset can be used to power the device or connect to a compatible gaming PC for access to additional titles and cutting-edge VR experiences. With the built-in IPD adjustment, the MetaQuest 2 can be customized to better match the user's eyes for maximum visual comfort. The included spacer helps ensure a comfortable fit for those who wear eyeglasses. The headset casting feature also allows you to share your VR experience with friends and family by casting it to an external monitor or TV or directly to the Meta mobile app. Setting up the MetaQuest 2 is simple and straightforward, requiring only a mobile device, the Meta Companion app, and a Wi-Fi connection. Account registration is also required, and the headset is recommended for ages 13 and over. In conclusion, the MetaQuest 2 is a top-of-the-line virtual reality headset that offers an incredible gaming experience. With a high-resolution display, intuitive touch controllers, and built-in audio and connectivity options, it's an excellent choice for gamers looking to dive into the world of VR. In terms of display, the HTC VIVE XR Elite offers a resolution of 2880 by 1600, while the MetaQuest 2 provides 1832 by 1920 resolution per eye. This means the VIVE XR Elite offers higher resolution and a more detailed visual experience, but the Quest 2 has a 90Hz refresh rate, making it faster and more responsive to movements, providing a more immersive experience. The VIVE XR Elite is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 platform and 4GB of RAM, less powerful than the Snapdragon XR2 platform and 6GB of RAM in the Quest 2. On the other hand, the VIVE XR Elite offers room-scale VR experiences with the base station tracking system and Steam VR integration, something that the Quest 2 does not have. In terms of audio, the VIVE XR Elite features built-in high-res headphones and 3D spatial audio, while the Quest 2 provides built-in speakers and the option to use external headphones with a 1.8 or 3.5mm jack. Both headsets support Bluetooth connectivity and offer audio experiences that will immerse you in your virtual environment. The VIVE XR Elite is designed for use with a gaming PC, while the Quest 2 can be used as a standalone device or connected to a compatible PC via the MetaQuest Link or other compatible USB Type-C cables. This gives Quest 2 users access to a much larger library of VR titles, while the VIVE XR Elite is limited to titles available on the Steam VR platform. What about the price? Which headset is going to offer you the most bang for your buck? Well, when it comes to price, the HTC VIVE XR Elite is the more premium option, with a price tag to match. The Oculus Quest 2 offers a more affordable alternative while still delivering an impressive VR experience. While the HTC VIVE XR Elite may have a higher price point, the PC-powered system and the room-scale VR capabilities make it worth the investment for serious VR enthusiasts. On the other hand, the Oculus Quest 2's standalone design and portability make it a great option for those who want to take the VR experience with them on the go, without sacrificing too much in terms of performance. When it comes to content, which headset is going to offer you the most options? Both headsets offer a wide range of VR content, but the HTC VIVE XR Elite has access to a larger library of VR games and experiences thanks to the PC-powered system. The Oculus Quest 2, on the other hand, has its own dedicated library of VR content, and it also allows you to access content from your PC by connecting it with a cable or using a cloud gaming service. But the content library is still not as extensive as the HTC VIVE XR Elite. Additionally, the Oculus Quest 2 supports less demanding games and experiences, while the HTC VIVE XR Elite can handle more intensive games and applications. So finally, what about the overall VR experience? Which headset is going to offer the best all-around experience? So what are you looking for in a VR headset? Well, if you're after a high-end VR experience with room-scale capabilities and a wide range of content, the HTC VIVE XR Elite might be the right choice for you. But if you prefer a more portable and intuitive VR experience, the Oculus Quest 2 could be the better option. It really just depends on your individual needs and preferences. Remember that both headsets do have their own unique strengths, so it's worth considering what you want from a VR experience before making your final decision. Before we finish, if you enjoyed our video, be sure to like it and let us know in the comments which one of these two headsets you think you're going to plan on getting. In conclusion, it is important to consider your individual requirements before making a purchase. Are you looking for a high-end gaming experience, or are you looking for a more portable and intuitive VR experience? Do you prioritize graphics over portability, or hand tracking over traditional controllers? These are all important questions to consider when choosing between the HTC VIVE XR Elite and the Oculus Quest 2. Additionally, it's always a good idea to do your own research and to try out both VR headsets in person if possible before making a decision. With so many options available, it's important that you find the right one that's going to fit with your needs and your budget. So which headset will you choose? Let us know in the comments down below. We hope that this video has been helpful in your journey towards choosing the perfect VR headset for you. If you're interested in more VR headsets that are on the market, be sure to check out our next video, Pico 4 Enterprise, our honest review. We're going to be dwelling in the world of Pico's more newest VR headset. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure you join MetaGen by subscribing now.